Lesson 12.6, determine position from velocity. It says a particle moves along the x-axis, yes, we're back to these, with a velocity given by this velocity function for times greater than or equal to 0. If the particle is at position x equals 6 at a time of 3, what is the position of the particle at a time of 2? So you got to really figure out, what is it asking you to find? It's asking you to find the position of it. We're given the velocity. So remember, it goes position formula, or not formula, but what do I want to say, function, then velocity, and then acceleration. So it's like these steps where we took the derivative of position, got velocity. We took the derivative of velocity, we got acceleration. You take the double derivative, second derivative of position, you get acceleration. If you want to work backwards, then that's taking the antiderivative. So we want to go from velocity back to position. So we want to take the antiderivative of the velocity function with respect to t is really all we're doing. And then we'll figure out what to do from there. So my velocity function is that 6t squared plus 8t minus 10. So I'm going to add 1 to the power, divide by that power. Add 1 to the power, divide by that power. Minus 10t. I have to put plus a constant. Go ahead and simplify that. And remember, this is finding really x of t. Will equal 2t cubed plus 4t squared minus 10t plus c. And now the problem comes when we have to find what this constant is. We can't just leave it plus c. The good thing is that they tell us when x is 6, the time is 3. And so we're going to make that be like an ordered pair to plug into here. So my t is going to become 3 everywhere I see it. My x, or my output, is going to become 6. So I'll have 6 equals 2 times 3 cubed plus 4 times 3 squared minus 10 times 3 plus c. And then I'm going to do that all on my calculator real quick. And I'm getting all of this to come out to be 60 plus c needs to equal 6. So all I would have to do to solve for c is subtract 60, which would be negative 54. So my position function is saying that the particle, to find its position over a certain time, will be 2t, it's right here, 2t cubed plus 4t squared minus 10t minus 54. And then that allows me to plug in any time I want and find its position, and it wants me to find at a time of 2. So you would be taking 2 times 2 cubed plus 4 times 2 squared minus 10 times 2 minus 54, which is negative 42. So that means the particle went backwards.